Video I'll show you how to change your zodiac sign on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first things first, open up your Play Store, search for Snapchat, and yeah, make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version, and then click on open once that's done. Now you want to click onto your profile, and as you can see, my zodiac sign is Cancer. So in order to change your zodiac sign is that you need to change your date of birth, and each date of birth has different zodiac signs attached to it. So if you want to change your zodiac sign, you must change your birth date. So to change your birth date, click on that little gear icon, should be located at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then where it says birth date, just click into that. And for this demonstration, I'm going to change the month to say September, then click on continue, and then click on OK. And then if you go back to your profile, now I'm a Libra, so that's how you change your zodiac signs. Thanks for watching this tutorial until the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out. Cheers.